one of the support workers with the dietetic team here in Powys. My message to you today is simply to make sure that you're drinking plenty of fluids throughout your day to ensure you're staying hydrated. Water, of course, is a great choice, but so too are tea and coffee. Many people think that tea and coffee don't count, but they're a great way to increase our fluid intake throughout the day. The one group of population that may want to be a bit mindful of the caffeine content they're having with teas and coffees are pregnant women and those who are breastfeeding. The current recommendations are to have 200 milligrams maximum per day of caffeine, and what this looks like is 2 mugs of instant coffee. And for the rest of us, if we want to sort of alternate our drinks through the day, so we're having a few teas or coffees, we can then choose decaffeinated options, and of course herbal teas as well are a great choice. Diolch.